English cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, Parmesan cubed, salami that we cut into quarters, Kalamata black olives, green olives, and now I'm coming in with some crumbled feta cheese, and we are just gonna put we're gonna put this whole container on top. Now I'm gonna be dressing this with some olive oil. You're gonna want about 1/4 cup for everything we have going on in here, but this is gonna be really delicious. I would recommend olive oil for this. I mean, I know some people now like coconut oil and other things like that, but olive oil is the taste you're gonna want. Now we're coming in with some balsamic vinegar, and I'm just gonna start drizzling this around in here. We just want this to get a nice flavor. It's gonna go so perfectly with that olive oil, just a little bit of delicious tang. I'm gonna start with that much. We can always add more if we need it. We're gonna put in a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. Ooh, this is just looking so beautiful and smelling delicious. And a little bit of Italian seasoning. You can include this or leave it off. If you just want to do salt and pepper, that would work too. But I think since I've got some olives, I might just leave it with this. All right, I'm coming in with my hands here, and I'm just going to give this a little bit of mix. Start mixing these delicious flavors and combos together. Now we just use 1 box of cooked pasta. We're using the spirals, but the fun of this is you can totally customize this and use whatever flavors, pasta shape, totally change this up. You can use some sun-dried tomatoes. You can leave the olives out if you're not an olive fan. You could put some onions in here. This is just gonna be such a beautiful, easy meal to share with your family and friends. Alrighty, it is time to taste our delicious pasta salad here. We made a similar version a couple years ago with some dill pickle juice brine in there, and oh, it was so good. But I cannot wait to dig into this. Now, you guys, I'm just gonna tell you, I might add a little bit more salt and pepper to this later, but oh my gosh, that's delicious. Y'all, this was so easy, fresh, delicious, healthy. You gotta try it.